Hello barbecue family, welcome to the channel, Cook and Barbecue 24/7. My name is AW and we have a great recipe I'm sharing with you today. If you like these kind of cooking videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with family and friends on social media. Thank you. Today we're cooking chicken on the Weber kettle using the slow and sear. Just a simple recipe, good old chicken legs. I've washed these already. They're still kind of tacky, so we don't need a binder or anything. So I'm just gonna go with my normal, some Lawrys seasoned salt with some fresh ground black pepper. And we're gonna hit these on both sides and do a quick stir. Flip these over. Yeah, very simple, guys. It's not a complicated one. We're gonna put this on in the morning. Everybody knows I like to marinate my meats overnight, at least for 4 or 5 hours. Let that seasoning go through. And this will go on the Weber in the morning with lump charcoal with some hickory chunks. This will be very good flavor. Yeah. That's all she wrote, guys. I'm thinking, give these a quick stir. Plenty enough salt, plenty enough spices with the black pepper, and then you know your seasoning salt as your garlic, onion powder, paprika for color, and all that goodness. So here it is, guys. That's it. When you see these chicken legs, again, they'll be headed to the Weber to get some good smoke with some good hickory and lump charcoal. Hey, good morning, guys. We're back. It's morning time. We got something simple going on right here. We got the Weber 22-inch kettle with the slow and sear. I got all lump charcoal, 1 lighter cube. So here we go. This is how I light mine, guys. It's a Weber cube or some kind of lighting cube. And now I'm going to put a little bit of the lump charcoal close to this cube, but not, not to put it out. Just a small piece. Some of the little sticks that I got from out of the hickory sticks out of the bag. Just using that, guys. Nothing goes to waste. Welcome back. It's been about 5-6 minutes. I've already loaded up the chicken legs. As you can see, it's burning down. The thick white smoke is already cleared up. Now I'm getting a little light white smoke with a little bit of blue smoke mixed in. So it's going to be a great. Welcome back, guys. It's been about 30 minutes. Let's see what we got. The cookup's been running good, around 320, 310, 315. It's running good. Of course, you can see clear blue heat vapors, no smoke at all. So we're on to something. So let's see what we got. Wow, look at the color, guys. It's already getting a good golden brown. I think I'm not gonna do anything. Just let them keep going. Hold them a little closer to the fire. Just chugging it on nice and slow. Wow, that's beautiful. This is what we want. Let's go another 30 minutes and we'll be back. We're going good. Let's open this up just a tad, just a smither. And I'm gonna just tap the bottom up just here. That's it. Hello everyone, welcome back. We're right at the 2-hour mark, about 2 hours and 15 minutes. As you can see, my thermostat, we're running about 375, so I cranked the heat up a little bit to get her nice, get the chicken done faster. So it looks, smells good. Let's see what we got. Wow, look at the color. Everything looks good. Let's do some temp probing. We're looking for anything over 170. I got 186. $177. Oh yeah, guys, I think these are done. $173. $171. It's hot. $172. One. 169. So this big guy here still gotta cook some more. More. $175. So everybody's done except these two bigger ones, and we'll leave those on. Little big legs, put them close to the fire and in the front. Come back in about 20 minutes, they'll be ready. Hey guys, the chicken legs are done. They turned out great. They're nice, smoky, and tender. Guys, thank you guys for all your support. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cook and barbecue 24/7.